Okay, Robbo, Dingy, rapid. Take it here.
Let's go, boys, yeah?
A bit louder.
Boys! Lads, are we here?
Yeah!
1, 2, 3, are we here?
Yeah!
Put your hands up if you're not here. Wankers. Anyway. I'm going to do some serious flipping off in this boat, I'm telling you that now.
Robbo, Dingy, can you make your way down there for me, please?
Let's go, boys! Yeah. What's that? What? I thought... Try that off before we get in there.
Right, do you want to start jumping in then?
Boys, line it up down there with your partner. Same usual, yeah? Same as usual. Big good drum this. Loudest one. Boys, we've got the loudest drum. And the loudest wanker that's shouting. Let's get in now. That was in there. Come on, what's his name? What's Quiet Boy's name? Ollie. Ollie! 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 Who's this? Ollie! 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 Is that Ollie? We've got this, mate. We've got this. Me and you. Work together. Just keep me on. Yeah, eyes in. Keep me on. Go on, Ol. Yeah, I will. Get in our, when we get up there in our quiet time. Ollie, let's get going. Are you? Is it Ollie? Ollie? Is that Ollie? Yeah, right, sweet. Yeah, take the boat off that boat.
Right, you need to stay in time.
Yeah. That's it, boys.
You need to stay in time.
We got it, boys. Boys, let's get up there and I'm going to tell you our secret weapon, all right? Boys, when I say this race is all on YouTube, I swear down it is. I know you have, but the pressure is on you too. You make the difference on every single hit from the start. Just make sure you're in time with each other, yeah? Boys, heads on! 2 gentle paddles, paddles in the water. 2 backwards, ready, and 1, 2. Good work, boys. Boys, arse to the wall, arse to the wall. Yeah? Think about getting your whole paddle in that water. Ready? Paddles in the water. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Easy, boys. Right, ready? Paddles ready, knuckles up. Paddles ready, knuckles up. Knuckles up, boys. And 1, 2. Boys, get with it. Stop. Stop. Lads in the middle. Get on it, yeah? That first hit. Yeah? 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 First hit. Right, knuckles up. Knuckles up. Knuckles up, boys. Lads in the back. Knuckles up. And 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. Easy. Stop paddling. Stop. Boys, fucking perfect. Lads, that was fucking perfect. Just remember, boys in the middle. Lads in the middle, don't wait. You've got to be here on the first go, yeah? Lads in the back, perfect. Just keep in time with the guys in front. Lads, the secret weapon now we're out of the way of the wankers is, boys, for the first 10 strokes, we all count. 1, 2, yeah? After the 10, you're going to be knackered, so you need your breath. So don't shout, I'll keep going. But after the first 10, to keep us all in time for that key start, we all shout 1, 2, yeah? Just keep in time with me and keep shouting 1, 2 with me, yeah? And keep in time with the guy in front. Also, final thing, boys. Right, everyone lean forward to touch their toes. Everyone lean forward and touch your toes, yeah? Right, no paddles, and just move back and forward with me, okay? Ready? And back, forward, back, forward, back. We're moving without you even fucking paddling. That's the secret. Get your fucking elbows forward and pull back like that, yeah? That's how you fucking do it. Because you paddle every time your ass isn't in the water, you're still paddling, all right? So, boys. Yeah. Yeah. That's it, boys. Right. Paddles in the water on top because we're still moving. Ready to paddle. Yeah. Yeah. Knuckles in the air. Knuckles in the air. And 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Perfect, boys. That's it. Perfect. Honest.
Right, come on, boys.
Boys, that's how we start, yeah? Yeah. Don't worry, boys. I'll call you out on that. Just listen to me. We'll be good. Lads, remember that start, yeah? Boys in the middle. Don't wait to get in time. Be ready, yeah? Stop the boat! Stop the boat, paddles in!
Next words we all say.
Yeah. Right, boys, from now on, the next word we all say is 1, yeah? On that start, that's it. Heads in, get that knuckle up and get your fucking body forward, yeah? Lads in the front, you guys start that. Copy the person in front of you for that start, that position. Lads, let's look up here, yeah? Copy the position in front of you, the man in front of you, yeah? Up and front, knuckles high. Fucking sorted. Let me do the shouting. Keep that 1, 2, yeah? Keep the 1, 2 until you feel you can't. Yeah. Oh yeah, can't do it quick though. You start slower and then you build it. Because people are just going to start. Yeah. No, we're good. We got it. I know what you mean though. Arse to the side, boys. Arse to the side.
Come on, boys. Lads. We had 2 girls on board last year. Just say it.
Boys, let's fucking do this. Come on, we're on. We're easy. Come on.
Oh, Danny boy.
Remember, boys, that starting position. Paddles in, yeah. Boys, paddles in. 2 strokes forward. Ready and 1. Stop there. 1, fucking hell, about 20. Boys, next word that's spoken on is that number, yeah? Remember that. Boys, heads in. Remember, yeah? First word that's spoken is that. Yeah, boys, stick together, yeah? Stick to the man in front. ready, and 1. Work, boys, good work. Stop the boat, paddles forward. Right. Right, ready on, boys, yeah? Small one forward, ready, and. That's easy. Right, heads on. Right, knuckles up. Remember, first word that's spoken. Knuckles up, knuckles up. Paddle in the water, paddle in the water. Paddle in the water. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Stop the boat! Stop the boat! Stop the boat! Yes! Stop the boat! Stop the boat! Boys! Stop the boat! Reigning champs, boys! Reigning fucking champs! Ready, and small one. Nice. Stay sat. Fucking hell. Smashed it. Smashed it.
Well done.
Smashed it. Smashed it. That's got to be a course record, boys. That's got to be a course record, boys. Everyone was perfect. We'll never beat that time. We'll never beat that time. If that's not sub 50. If that's not sub 50, I don't know what is.
Top man.
Amazing. Get Remy out. Where's the briefcase? Left it out for weight.
Well done, mate.
Smashed it. Smashed it. Well done, boys. Smashed it. Yeah, it was. We're just messing around on that last one. Cheers. Well played.
Great referee, mate.
Thanks. Yeah. Well played, guys. Well done, lads. Well done, boys. Well done. Well done, mate. Cheers. Well, it's all about the jumper, if you ask me.